What's happening in the Kashmir Valley? A 70-year-old woman tourist from Maharashtra allegedly raped at a hotel in Pahalgam. Pahalgam is back in news and not for the good reason. The crime took place on 11th of April is what we are told. Now, what has happened is that the woman, 70-year-old, was likely at that hospital alone and with the family otherwise, was traveling to Kashmir, was in Pahalgam. The accused has been identified as one Zubair Ahmed. He's a resident of Pahalgam and is currently under judicial custody. Accused has been booked under Section 64 and 331(4) of the BNS. Prosecution tells court that the accused barged into the woman's hotel room, gagged her. She's a 70-year-old woman. Gagged her using a blanket and allegedly raped her and then managed to flee. And the details that are coming in, I want to take that to my colleague Sunil G. Bhatt. Sunil, it appears from our research that the woman suffered brutal assault and injuries for several days, could not move. What happened?
Pooja, this crime took place in the month of April, and what we are learning from our sources is that this victim is a 70-year-old woman, an elderly lady from the state of Maharashtra. She had gone to the Kashmir Valley as a tourist. She was staying in a hotel in Pahalgam, and there was one individual, the accused, who barged in her hotel room, and he gagged her with a blanket, and then he raped her and also inflicted serious injuries on her. The woman was in pain for many days. The accused was apprehended and he was booked under the relevant sections of BNS, and his bail plea, he had filed a bail plea in a local court in South Kashmir's Anantnag district. The judge not only rejected the bail plea, but he also made very strong observations. He said that not just meadows, mountains are going to make Kashmir a favorite tourist destination of people. People have to rise to the occasion, and they have to condemn this kind of heinous crime that has taken place in the Kashmir Valley. Kashmir Valley is known as the land of seas and saints. So judge made very strong observations. The bail plea of the accused has been rejected. I spoke to the BJP leader. I got a reaction from a BJP leader, Kavinder Gupta. He also condemned this incident, and he said that all political parties of Jammu and Kashmir must condemn this heinous crime, and they must seek justice for the elderly lady who faced this heinous crime in the Kashmir Valley. Pooja.
And Sunil, as you bring us this disturbing detail, I want to quickly again just reiterate what the court has made a very correct observation here. Mere meadows, mountains will not help and promote Kashmir. It is as much about, remember, how the tourists are treated. A 70-year-old woman raped in her hotel room. And I hope that the civil society, the police and the administration in J&K ensures that not only is this case resolved, the family gets justice and help, but this should not happen again in Kashmir.